Hey, hello everyone. This time, yes. This is my town, Halomoon. Alright. I figured might as well get this started right away, so let's start at the house. I'm on Wi-Fi just for the record, but no one has come over yet. So I'll just show around if it does. Here's the main room. Left the festive tree, didn't really get rid of it for Christmas. Lounge. That pattern, that golden record pattern, I guess that was what is requiring.
Alright. Prize room, I guess. That's what I call it mostly. Pictures are hacked. Drone is legit. Everything in the back, I think that's all legit.
Rubber room. Right upstairs. Well, I guess I could say, yeah, game room. Yeah, it took a while to fit all this in, well, decently. Okay, I guess I'll circle around the town. Okay, all the patterns are made by me
Except the star pattern, which was made by one of my Wi-Fi friends, Deb.
I've been in one of my last sessions I was in her town. Okay, all that's legit. I just leave it on the ground if I don't want it. Yes, I mostly make orchards. So there's not much running room in this town. Oh yeah, just for the record, I did everything, all the landscape of this town is legit. Every single tree I planted myself. None of these are seeds. Huh, visitor. I don't think I've seen this one in a while. Says he's gonna start playing again. This is the first time I actually seen him in months. Well, I think I circled the town well enough. Just to know, if you play with me online, if you say what's up, this is gonna be your answer. Gas prices. So yeah, I'd say never say what's up to me. Not much else here. Figured it was just gonna turn into a tour. Get the text anyway. It's a perfect town. Tell them I'm recording for YouTube. Hopefully I didn't go beyond the 10-minute mark, but just in case, I think I'll close it out.